So the next one we've got is this as fast as. So in 2008, Usain Bolt won the Olympic gold medal for the 100-meter sprint in a world record time of 9.69 seconds. What was Usain's average velocity over the 100 meters? Should be fairly straightforward, similar to other velocity questions you may have seen there. So 9.69 seconds is the time. The displacement is 100 meters. Velocity equals displacement divided by time. So it's just 100 divided by 9.69. Quite straightforward. Part B is the one that I think some people are probably maybe going to have to think about a little bit harder because it's involving the concept and calculation of instantaneous velocity. Now, some people look at instantaneous velocity and find it a bit trickier largely because of the formula that goes with instantaneous velocity. Do remember the formula for instantaneous velocity is essentially just an average velocity. So it's a bit of a bugbear for me because the concept of instantaneous velocity is a bit flawed. You can't get a velocity at one instant. It's just smaller and smaller time periods. But if we're talking about the velocity as close to one time point as possible, so here the 20-meter mark, that is what we're referring to as the instant that we're interested in, then we're just going to get the average velocity of the point before, after it and the point before it. So between those 2 points there, before and after. So this is what this formula is referring to. I plus 1, you're not actually adding 1 or taking 1 from anything here. I plus 1 is just mathematical convention for the point ahead of the one that you're interested in, and I take 1 is the point behind the one you're interested in. So here it is 21 and 19, 1.14 and 0.91 with both the displacement and the time. So we can see that here, 21 take 19, so 21 take 19 displacement, 1.14 take 0.91 is your change in time, which gets you 8.7 meters per second.